Welcome back to Pallavi's Ambrosia Wellness Podcast for Nurture Her Women's Wellness. Hi, I'm your host Pallavi, clinical nutritionist, menopause support coach, and your guide through this powerful life stage. Today, we are tackling a topic that so many of you have messaged me about, that stubborn menopause belly, the one that wasn't there before, no matter how much you worked out or ate clean. So let's ask the real question. Is it just fat or is it inflammation? Or is it something deeper? Let's find out. Why does belly fat show up? Many women over 40 suddenly start gaining fat around the middle. You might feel bloated, puffier, or just notice that your jeans don't fit, even though your weight hasn't changed much. This isn't in your head, it's real, and here's why. 1. Estrogen decline. Estrogen helps regulate body fat distribution. As it drops, fat shifts from hips and thighs to the abdomen. 2. Insulin resistance. During menopause, your cells become less sensitive to insulin, leading to fat storage, especially belly fat. 3. Slower metabolism. Your muscle mass drops with age, and if you're not strength training or adjusting your diet, you're burning fewer calories. But wait, there's more than fat at play here. Let's talk inflammation. Some of that belly bulge may actually be inflammation and not just fat. Here are signs that it's inflammation. You feel bloated even when you haven't overeaten. Your belly feels puffy, heavy, or tender. You experience gas, constipation, or indigestion. You have joint stiffness or fatigue alongside weight gain. Some of the causes of inflammation are poor gut health, highly processed foods and sugar, chronic stress, lack of sleep, hormonal imbalance, and hidden food sensitivities like gluten, dairy, etc. The inflammation fat combo is what makes menopause belly hard to shake off. How to address it holistically. Here's how to tell what your belly is trying to say and what you can do. 1. Tune into the triggers. Keep a food and mood journal for 5 days. Track what you eat and how your belly feels. This will help you identify if certain foods are causing bloating. 2. Nourish your gut. Add fermented foods like homemade curd or dahi, buttermilk, or kanji. Consider a gentle probiotic. Under supervision, fiber is your friend. 3. Balance blood sugar. Every meal should have 1/4 plate protein such as paneer or cottage cheese, eggs, lentils. 1/4 plate whole carbs such as millets and brown rice. Half plate of veggies. This stabilizes insulin and prevents fat storage. 4. Anti-inflammatory lifestyle. Prioritize sleep. Move your body. Even 30 minutes of walking or yoga helps. Start your day with warm water and lemon or turmeric tea. 5. Strength train. This is non-negotiable post 40. Muscle burns fat and reduces belly. You don't need to hit the gym. Resistance bands or body weight exercises work. Now, when do you seek help? If your belly feels hard or persistently bloated, don't ignore it. It could indicate gut dysbiosis, thyroid issues, or even perimenopausal PCOS resurgence. I always say, listen to your belly. It speaks before blood reports do. Work with a practitioner who understands midlife metabolism, not just calorie cutting advice. That doesn't work anymore. So now you know. Your menopause belly could be part fat, part inflammation, part stress, and 100% valid. Your body isn't misbehaving, It's asking for new care in a new phase of life. If this episode spoke to you, share it with a woman who needs clarity and support. Follow me on Instagram at Eat Right with Pallavi for daily insights and encouragement. Coming up in episode 55, the truth about hormonal weight gain, what works now that didn't at 25. Until next time, love your body, listen to your gut, and trust that this phase is your power zone, not your decline.